Hello students, welcome to Price Shows YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is percentage. Okay, very good profit, very good topic. So this is a lecture, and after this one some examples also we are going to see to clarify or to make our concept clear for the percentage. Okay, so I am saying percentage. So what is exactly the percentage? Okay, so this is the spelling. We are now percentage. Okay, so this centage and this per, this we will make the separate. So this is a per and this is a centage, so this is a cent for this one. Okay, so this is short form of the percentage. Okay, so this is a cent actually. So this cent means what exactly? The cent means this is a century. This is formed from the century. Okay, century, all the students we know that cricket, in a cricket century means how much? Century means 100 runs, means 100. Okay, we are saying century means 100. Okay, now this is a per, means every, or we can say behind every 100. Okay, means suppose if I am taking something n number of items from the thousands items. Okay, behind the 1000 items I have taken some n number of the items. Okay, now to make it the ratio or to make it the understanding purpose, I will always be convert. I am saying convergence. Okay, means thousands related to the thousand, this is the total, or this is the n number of item I have take out. Okay, so I will convert this one in terms of the hundred. So what exactly the hundred? So that I will divided this one and this one also by the 100. So then I will get the in terms of the 100. So that I will say that this is a per 100 or per century. So as per this one, per century means this is a percent. Okay, like this one, percent, sorry, here the t, cent. Okay, so this percent, as per this one, the word forms we are saying the percent. Okay, now for this one, to represent this one, we are using this type of the symbol. Okay, some inclined line, and there is a one small circle upper side or left in the left side of this line, and at the bottom side at the right side. So this is a symbol. Okay, so now this symbol means we can say in to the denotion or to the show, and this symbol is having the value, we can say percent. Percent means per 100, or we can say like this one, per means 1 by 100. Okay, so either this symbol or either this one. So if this is this symbol, you can replace this symbol with multiply by with 1 by 100. I am again repeating, you can replace to the find outing the value to this symbol to the multiply by 1 by 100. Okay, now for the reading purpose, 62 by 100 is written as 62 percentage. Now here 62 by 100 means we can say this is a 62 multiplied by 1 by 100. Okay, now this 1 by 100, or we can say multiply by 1 by 100, we can replace this one with a percentage. So this is a 62 percentage, means like this one. Or you can write down this 62 percentage in a word also. This is the meaning same, but most probably we are writing as like this one. Okay, so reading of this one is a 62%. So this symbol is called as a percentage. Okay, or we can say percent is 62 percentage. Okay, like this one. Now we are going to see some examples to understanding purpose. So question number 1, what is the 50 percentage of 70? So 50 percentage, so 50 and then percentage of 70, so multiply by with a 70. Okay, so I will write down here, so 50 percentage of 70. Now this percentage symbol we will replace to the 1 by 100. So 70 I will keep it here, multiply by 50 multiply by 1, sorry, this 50 and 1 by 100. Like this one also I can write down, or 70 multiply 50, this 50 also here multiply 50 divided by 100. So instead of separate writing, I just make it like this one. Okay, denominator to the this percentage. Okay, so means 50 by 100, like this one. For understanding purpose I have write down this one. Now this 0 gone, this 0 gone, this 0 gone, this 0 gone. So 7 multiplied by 5 is a 35, and this is given in option number 2. So 35 means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 2, 20 percentage is written as 20%. So percentage means this symbol we will write down, so 20%. So this is given in option number 3. Now question number 3, 5% of 400 is equals to 5% means 5, then percentage of means multiplication, and then 400. Okay, so now we are going to solve this one. So 5% of 400. Now 5, this percentage we will multiply by 1 by 100 means 5 by 100. Now I will directly write down these steps. This is for understanding purpose. No, after this one we will directly write down this step. Okay, always be this step is there, but once you clarify this one, you can directly write down like this step. So this is a directly comes here, multiply by 400. So 20 gone, 20 gone, or we can say 100 multiply by 4. So this is a 4. So 5 4s are, this is a 20, and 20 is given in option number 4. Now question number 4, 8%. So 8% of means multiplication 850 is equals to how much? Okay, so this is word format. I write down in a equation format. Now we can solve it. So 8% of 850 is equals to how much? So 8% means 8 by 100 multiply by 850. Okay, so this 0 gone, this 0 gone. So 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are, and then 15, 5 3s are, 5 7s are, 2 1s are, and 2 4s are. So 4 multiply by 17. So 4 multiply by 17 is a 68, and 68 is given in our option number 2. Now question number 5, if there are 60% girls in a school and total strength of student in a school is 950. Okay, then find out the number of girls in a school. Now 60% means 60% girls in a school, and total strength is a 90, means multiply by with a 950. Total are the here. Okay, out of that one 60% we have to take out. Okay, then find out this one. So we will solve out here. 60% multiply by 950. So 60 by 100 multiply by 950. So this 0 1, this 0 1, this 0, this 0. Now 6 multiply by 95. So 6 multiply by 95, 6 5s are 33 there, 6 9s are 54 plus 3. So this is a 57. So 570. So means girls are 570 out of 950. Okay, so 570 means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 6 is there. If there are 400 trees in a garden and percentage of mango trees is 5, percentage of mango trees is 5 means this is a 5% as a mango. Okay, that is the meaning. Find the number of mango trees in that garden. So total how much there are in a garden? 400. Okay, sorry, 1400. So out of this one 5% are the number. So that numbering we have to find out. Only then percent means per 100 rupees means we can say every 100 trees there are the 5 mango trees. Okay, I am again repeating, out of every 100 trees there are the 5 mango tree. So for this 1400 tree, how many mango tree? That is the meaning. So 5%, I just write down here 5%. Okay, multiply by 1400. So this 5% means this 5 divided by 100 multiply by this 1400. This 20, this 20 will get gone. Now 5 multiply by this 14 is equals to the, this is equals to 70, means 14 5s are 70, means there are the total 70 mango. 70 means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 7, there are 500 sacks in a godown. Out of these 15% of rice, then how many sacks of rice are there in godown? So this is the total. Out of this one 15% of rice. So we will do the here 15% multiply by the total, means there is a 500. So 15 by 100 multiply by this 500 means total this 201, this 201 means 15 5s are, this is a 75. So there are the 75 sacks. So means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 8, 15% of 3520. So 15 percentage of means we have to do the multiplication. So 3520. So in another way, 15 by 100 multiplied by 3520. This 0 1, this 0 1. So this is a 2, this is a 3. Now 2 ones are 1 k balance 15. So 2 sevens are 14, 1 balance 12, then 2 6 are 12. Now 3 multiplied by 176. So this is a 3 6 are 18, 1 balance, 3 7 are 21 plus 1 22, 2 balance. Now 3 ones are 3 and 2, this is a 5. So this is 528. This is given in option number 2. Thank you.